Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to generate a video using Grok AI tool. Here you can go and type Grok Imagine. Then we can open this website grok.com. This one is the official website. You can also use this tool inside X. And now this website is loading. After that, now let me open ChatGPT. And now here we need to create a free account. Simply click on sign up button and then sign up with Google. Now let me select one of the Google account and then allow access. Okay, now account is created. Now let me go back here and type anything. Create a prompt for my web design company. Add WhatsApp. Company name is Enable Website Design. Then press enter. And within few seconds you will get a professional prompt. Now we can copy this prompt and then this one is the dark interface. You can also use white interface. Here you can go and select your theme. Okay, after that here you can select the video, then select the aspect ratio. So you have three options. This one is recommended for short videos, this one is for long videos. Let me select this one, and after that add the prompt here. You can also attach your logo files and anything, then press enter. And here you can see it has started working on it. So guys, here you can see the video is ready. That's great. It is using as well as 3D effects. Now we can simply save this video in our laptop by clicking on this button. Here you can also share this video with your friends and anyone. So this video also have a great sound effect, as some of the AI platforms that we use just only generate video, not the audio. You can also create another prompt, then you can go back here and create a new video.